Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an HP printer that displays a scanner failure or unable to scan error. This problem may appear while scanning, copying, or faxing. It can happen because of an unstable power supply, a stuck scanner bar, a calibration issue, or an internal scanner fault. After each step, test the scanner again. If it starts working, you can stop. If not, continue to the next step. First, reset the printer. Keep the printer turned on and then disconnect the power cord from the back. After that, unplug it from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. Once this is done, plug the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using a power strip or extension cable during the test. Then reconnect the cord to the printer and turn it on. Now place a document on the scanner glass and try making a copy. If the error continues, check the scanner bar. Remove everything from the scanner glass and lift the lid slightly. Next, press the black copy or color copy button. Now watch the scanner bar through the glass. The scanner light should turn on and the bar should move smoothly across the glass. Keep in mind that you should not touch or force the scanner bar. If the light does not turn on, the bar does not move, or you hear clicking or grinding sounds, there may be a hardware problem. Before arranging a repair, turn the printer off and check the scanner area for packing tape, paper, dirt, or any small objects that may be blocking it. After that, clean the scanner glass using a soft, lint-free cloth. If needed, slightly dampen the cloth with water, but do not spray liquid directly onto the printer. Once the glass is clean and dry, close the lid, turn the printer on, and test it again. If copying works, but scanning from the computer does not, the scanner hardware is probably working, and the issue may be related to the printer software. Now open Settings on your Windows computer and go to Printers and Scanners. Select your HP printer, remove it, and then uninstall the HP app or older HP printer software. After that, restart the computer. Next, download the latest HP app from the Microsoft Store or the official HP Setup website. Open the app, add your printer again, and follow the setup instructions. If you use Wi-Fi, make sure the printer and computer are connected to the same network. If you use USB, connect the cable only when the setup asks you to. Once the installation is complete, open the Scan or Printer Scan option and test the scanner again. Finally, try making one more copy directly from the printer. If the printer copies successfully but still cannot scan to the computer, the issue is most likely related to the software, driver, or connection. However, if the scanner light and bar still do not respond, the scanner may need professional service. Do not try to open the scanner assembly yourself, because this may cause further damage. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more printer troubleshooting guides. If you still need assistance, you can contact our independent technical support team. Keep in mind that this is an independent support number and is not the official HP support line. Confirm any service details or charges before continuing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.